Hello folks, this is our third video on application services 3 extension. Uh, Past two video we saw that we talked about AS3. Uh, in the previous video, we showed actually how we can deploy AS3 on Big IP. In this video specifically, what we're going to talk is actually how we can add a new application on to the existing AS3 tenant and then how we can deploy that. So here you can see that this is our big IP, or this is the AS3 repo, and this is our JSON. So you have to git clone this, and once you git clone, actually you will be able to use this. So here you can see that this is our VSCode, and this is where we have already connected to the big IP. We have downloaded the extension as well from here. And then due to that, actually we get this logo, FI logo. Once you click there, actually you are onto the big IP, right? And so let me, yeah, so this is the AS3 declaration, which in the previous example we deployed this. I'll just repeat again. Actually, this is the AS3 JSON document, and we have already deployed the app, which is app A. So now what I'm going to do is deploy another app. So if you look at, the app starts from here and it ends over here, right? So what I'm going to do is, if I want to add another app, let's say app B, I'm going to stick the new app over here, right? So I'm just going to go to VSCode. Okay, so we have already made space for the app. So I just copied that app, and here I can call this as app 2, or let's say I can say app B, right? And rest of the stuff is same. I just need to add a comma here. Sorry, not comma here, but over here. And that's where it is flagging me that this is wrong. So once I put the comma, the error goes up. Like again, I can show you. So once I add this comma, the error goes off, because what is happening is that the FI extension which is installed, it is validating my AS3 here, right? So I have done that. So now I can save it. Now let's go to the big IP and see what is the status of big IP. Okay, folks, this is my big IP here. Let me log in. Admin, password, and I am into the big IP. So if you go to the local traffic manager, virtual server, and you can see that I don't have any tenants here. So this is, again, this is our application AB, and then we also have this application app A as well. So we have two applications now. So I've already saved this. Again, I can repeat this, go here and post the declaration. So now you can see that it is posting the declaration. It already, I got 200. Okay. Now, if I go back to big IP, let's see what is happening. So on the, before that, I can also look at here on the tenant sample. It shows me there are two applications. Okay, so now you can see here, I already got the 200. Okay. And on the left side, if I see here, I have two tenants, one tenant already deployed, sorry. And then we have A1 and A2, two applications, application A and application B. We can go back to big IP and see that. So if you go back to big IP now, I can go to LTM, I can go to that particular tenant, and then you can see that app A and app B are already deployed. Thanks for watching this session. We'll talk more on the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.